Do you dream of creating healthier communities? Of leading change, shaping policy, and making a global impact in public health? Then your journey begins here. The Master of Public Health program at Nitte University is a 2-year experience designed to equip you with real-world skills, hands-on training, research exposure, and deep community engagement. From internships with leading Indian institutions to fully funded international exchanges with the University of Gothenburg, Sweden, and the University of Minnesota, USA, you will gain the global edge every public health leader needs. Welcome to the Department of Public Health at Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, Mangaluru. If you're driven by purpose, health equity, and impact, this is your launchpad. Apply now at apply.nitte.edu.in or call 95131 88844.